Okay, we are going to create a clustered column graph or chart. So what I want you to do is go ahead and start typing this information just like you see it. In other words, in cell A2, you're going to type the word food. B1, you'll type the word USA. C1, you're going to type it just like this, if I lived in Australia, and so forth and so on. And once you're done doing that, then what we're going to do is we're going to fix this up just a little bit. What I like to do is hold my left mouse button, scroll all the way over and all the way down, and then let go of the button. I've had this whole thing highlighted. The reason why Australia looks like it's also in the D column is because there is nothing in the D column right now. So this C1 column where it says if I lived in Australia, it's all the way, it'll just let you see it all the way through. So now I want to go ahead and go up to this alignment toolbar, and I'm going to check center and center. So now everything is centered. Okay, now I am going to click on this thing, and if you look up here in the text bar right here, it does actually say if I lived in Australia, even though all you see is lived in Australia. So I'm going to go up to wrap text, and I'm going to wrap it, and just open it up, and then click wrapped, and then you've got it. Now let's make it look a little bit fancy, and we'll go ahead and highlight across and then go all the way down, and let's make this a little bit more nicer by clicking on this button and then choosing all borders. Now we've got everything we need. This is your data this is the ecological footprint that was created for the United States, and using the same data, we chose Australia, and these are the data for that, based on the exact same thing we put in the USA, and this is what the ecological footprint was for Australia. Now we want to make a clustered column graph or chart. So click on A1, go across to C1, and then go all the way down and then let go. Now we're going to go up to charts. Go over to the left where you see column, open up the column, and choose clustered column. And there, notice that we have USA is in blue, red is if I lived in Australia, and you see that everything everything that has to do with food is right here. And as you can see, 59% Australia is right by the 60% mark. So it literally did everything for you. Now you can look at this and see how it looks. Now, one more thing, if you choose to make a title for this, then click on chart layout, go to chart title, open it. I want my title to be above the chart, and then you just name it whatever you want. And that's how you create a clustered column chart or graph in Excel. And now you need to do this for both the original like this is, and then what you would do to improve your ecological footprint. And then you're going to do the exact same thing, and then let's compare. And that's how you do this.